Today we're going to be covering the mass refresh capability that you have inside of the Edge pricing screen as well as the labor screen. To use the mass refresh functionality, you must first mark the items in which you're wanting to update from the database. You can do this individually by clicking the checkbox on the left-hand side of the screen, or you can select all of the items by simply clicking the toggle option here at the top. Once you have selected the items that you would like to refresh, you will now choose the RI with a circle icon in the top middle of your screen. Single left click on that, and it will present you with this list. Once this list is presented, simply click the refresh button and let the program go through and start to refresh all of these items from the database for you. Now this will take just a little time because it is pulling in all of the updated information for all of the items. So let this process for you, and once it's completed, you'll see that it has the green hue behind the item that you're looking at. In this case, you can scroll down. Once you notice everything has been updated, you'll see at the very bottom down here, all of your rows will be green. You'll also get a message up there in that left corner that lets you know that it's successfully completed. And then once you close out of the window, you'll be able to see that your project has been updated from the database. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our tech team and they'd be happy to assist you in utilizing the mass refresh capability. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.